next is walkthrough. Okay, so suppose how to create walkthrough means, suppose we can create here one wall. Suppose this is the wall option. Then suppose create here one wall, and now we can create here suppose door, some door create here, or window you can create. Okay, so that is a door. So now suppose choose here, this one is architecture, suppose this one is view, and then this one is walkthrough. Okay, suppose in a in outside of the building, you can walk through the east, west, north, south, and everywhere. Okay, so what you visible, so that is in case of walkthrough, that is showing here. Okay, so go to the walkthrough, and suppose click here. Okay, click here, select this one. So now that is the walkthrough option. Okay, and then here finish walkthrough, just click anywhere and then finish walkthrough, and then go to the edit walkthrough. Here edit walkthrough, now you can show here, that is the frame option, 300 of 300, means this is the last position. So now this one is 300 of 300, so just choose here one. So now this cursor becomes in the first position. Okay, now you can rotate, select this one, and then maximize this. Okay, then go to here next keyframe. So suppose select here, so now this one is next keyframe, next, now next keyframe. Okay, just select here next keyframe. So now suppose select here, and then next keyframe, here also next keyframe, also select here, and then next keyframe, also select here, then here next keyframe, then also select here, then here next keyframe, also here select. Okay, so that is the next keyframe, also select here, so that is the next keyframe. Okay, and also select here, so this one is next keyframe. Okay, so now every direction in the building direction. Okay, so here go to, just select here this one, and then click here, double click. Okay, so that is the walkthrough. This one is the walkthrough option. Okay, and now this one is realistic view. Then go to the edit walkthrough, and now frame is 1. Okay, so now this one is 1, and then here play option. Okay, so now this one is play. Okay, so that is the frame, you can 1 to 300. Okay, so that is the walkthrough in everywhere. Okay, so just play it and show where you walkthrough is going on. Okay, so that is the walkthrough in the Revit. Okay, next, suppose you can create here many walls. Suppose select this one. Okay, create here this one, also select this one. Okay, next here view, here this one is camera. Okay, so just choose camera and click here, so that is camera. Okay, so now you can create here still picture. Okay, so you can create here still picture here, so that is called camera. Okay, you can choose here also look like this. Okay, so that is you can edit also, so that is the still picture. Okay, so that is the still picture you can create. Okay, then also you can go to the rendering setting. Okay, this one is cloud, transparent, image, you can create here. Okay, I'll come later. This one is how to create render. So that is the still picture you can create. Next here suppose create a new page, here. Suppose this one is wall. How to create wall sweep and wall reveal? Okay, how to create wall sweep and wall reveal? Suppose choose here wall, create here, this one is the wall. Okay, and now or you can go here wall with 4000. Okay, with 4000 and create here this one. Okay, so that is a wall. Now suppose go to the isometric view and then choose here wall sweep. Okay, so suppose give here realistic view and then choose here wall sweep. Wall sweep, just click here. Okay, so that is the wall sweep. So that is the wall sweep create here. Means material addition is here. Okay, and then suppose wall reveal. So suppose create here. So that is the wall reveal. Okay, wall reveal means cutting is here. Okay, so that is wall reveal, and wall sweep means material addition is here. Okay, so that is wall sweep and wall reveal. Also you can choose, suppose select this one and give offset value. Suppose this one is 900 and 1900. Suppose give it here, suppose 3000. Okay, so now this one become from the bottom, this one is 3000. Or you can go to the edit type and choose as per your requirement, that is the dimension. Okay, this one is conic, this one is common edge. So now this one is common edge. Okay, section will be changed. So that is the conic. Okay, so this one is conic, and next is uh, wall reveal and wall sweep. Okay, then under roof there have a extrusion already done. So what is roof soffit, fascia and gutter? So suppose go to level 2 and then here go to roof by footprint. Okay, roof by footprint, select this rectangle and then slope option, give it here suppose 500. Okay, 500, and then suppose click here and click here. Okay, then write it yes, then isometric. Okay, so you just delete this one. Okay, next how to create roof soffit. Okay, that is the level 2, and then that is the level 2. Suppose select here, here select here roof soffit, here level 2. Just click on the line and line will be visible. Suppose go to the wireframe option. Okay, this one is not deleted till now. This one is roof soffit, here level 2. Okay, select this line and then choose here any closed object. Suppose select this one. Okay, select this one, also choose this one. So now this one is closed and then write it. Okay, so that is a realistic view, you can create it. Okay, so that is the choose right. So that is the roof soffit. Okay, and then suppose select this one and delete it. Okay, then choose here roof fascia. Roof fascia, suppose select this one. So now one fascia added here. Okay, so that is roof fascia. Okay, so just roof fascia, suppose click here. So now this one is fascia added here. Suppose select here, so now this one is fascia added here. Okay, so that is roof fascia. You can change dimension from the edit type. Next, also here go to roof and roof gutter. Okay, roof gutter, Suppose select this one. So now that is the water passing roof gutter created here. Water passing roof gutter created here. Okay, so that is, suppose select this one, this edge. So now this is the water passing roof gutter created here. Okay, so that is main thing. Okay, so I think that will be the clear. Okay, so today video up to that. Okay, so everyone practice as per your requirement time.